DPF and DEF delete kit installation in Terex Chieftain 2200 with Caterpillar C4.4 engine. The box contains a DPF emulator, a DEF emulator, a NOx sensor dummy plug, and a harness for connecting the emulator. Locate the temperature sensor plug. Disconnect the temperature sensor plug. Locate the DEF injector plug and connect the matching plug from the emulator's harness. Locate both NOx sensors and the soot sensor. Disconnect both NOx sensors. Disconnect both NOx sensors and the soot sensor plug. Connect the dummy plug from the kit to the red NOx plug and connect the matching wire from the emulator harness to the NOx sensor with the black plug. Locate the diagnostics plug. Solder the CON cable from the emulator harness to the diagnostic plug wires. The connector in the wire from the box has a dedicated CON plug. In this case, it was necessary to cut it off and solder it to the wires, yellow to yellow and green to green, respectively. Locate the DEF tank plug. Disconnect the DEF tank plug. Locate the DEF pump plug. Disconnect the DEF pump plug. Plug in the DEF emulator to the plug that originally went into the pump. Connect the DPF emulator to the emulator harness. Connect two emulators together. After installation, no codes will be displayed on the screen.